have some hot garlic chive oil here that I want to cool down quickly. And there's something that I fell victim to when I was working the line. It was, do you use plastic containers? Because sometimes that's more convenient. Sometimes there's more of them. Sometimes they take up less space on your station. Or do you use metal containers? So what we're gonna do to test this is I'm gonna check the temperature of this oil as it goes into both the plastic container and into my metal ice setup. I'm gonna stand here and agitate both. We're gonna track how long does each one take to get to room temperature. Even just putting my hands in one, this metal one is definitely way colder than the plastic one, and this is like high quality Cambro plastic. This is not just like a deli container. I'm also gonna make sure that I evenly distribute the oil into both containers, get an equal mix of solids and oil. All right, let's check starting temp on both of these. 170 something on this one, 170 on this one. And the timer should start. All right, it's been exactly 1 minute. Let's check. Our metal is down to 108. Our plastic's still at 140. Remember, we're going for 65. We're going for room temperature on these. You can feel the consistency of the metal one thickening up. At 4 minutes, we have hit 65 degrees on the dot. With our metal container, we are still almost at 100 degrees on our plastic container. So let's keep going. We might be here for a while. Okay, 8 minutes. Where are we at? 65. All right, the numbers are in. This took twice as long. This took 8 minutes, this took 4 minutes, and this was with me standing over here, wasting 8 minutes standing here stirring this oil until it cools down. I didn't really expect these results, but we learned something today.